Light mag. 4.3 earthquake, Haryana, 22 kilometers southeast of Hanumangarh, Rajasthan, India, on Sunday, March 12, 2023 at 8:01 a.m. local time, according to the National Center for Seismology reported. The exact magnitude, epicenter, and depth of the quake might be revised within the next few hours or minutes as seismologists review data and refine their calculations, or as other agencies issue their report. I felt this quake. Quakes in India, Haryana, Rajasthan, Delhi. Light magnitude 4.3 earthquake at 87 kilometers depth, is 100 accurate, and do not forget to share our videos. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.